Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, I will show you in a short video how to use our MST ICO 2.0, the advanced version. So here I have kept crude oil futures chart. I will I will show you today about the Adani Enterprise. So I have added the Adani Enterprise in my watch list and I have opened the chart also. So before that, if you are a beginner, you don't know how to open the tradingview.com, I show you the step-by-step process. So just select any browser and type tradingview.com like this. So after which go to your watch list and select any script which you want to trade. Okay. So after selecting the script and chart, it will be looking like this. Now what you have to do, go to this indicator tab and add our indicator from the favorite list and give a click on this. Now our indicator is added onto our chart. Now how to trade using our indicator? It is very simple. I show you step by step. Okay. Now I will explain you step by step the very easiest method. So what you have to do in the morning, once market has opened, wait for a few minutes, let these lines are forming. Once these lines are formed, it will be forming around 9:30, 9:35 or 9:25 something. So after 9:25, you can start trading as per this indicator. So go to this indicator settings and reset to default mode. Default mode. Now what you have to do, we have to either wait to this side or this side first. So market has opened here. Either market has to reach here first or here first. So whichever side it reaches, that side only we have to trade. So whichever side it reaches, that side only we have to trade. So now I will add the in candles. So now what happened, you can see yourself. So whether market has reached here first or here first. So you all can see market has reached only at the sell side first, not the buy side. Okay. Now if sell activated, there is no buy. If buy activated, there is no sell for the small traders and safe traders as per the strategy. For the aggressive traders, they want to make money again and again, then they can go for both buy and sell as per the stop loss and targets given. So now once since buy has activated, we have to remove the once since sell has activated, we have to remove the buy entry. We have to enable the first sell targets, first sell SL, and you can remove all other things. See here, in the same candle, all our targets have been achieved. All the three targets have been achieved. See the high made was 1768.55 and our entry was 1768.45. So it has given exact entry and it has went up. It has gone up 10 paisa up. Then it has come down. Right? All our targets have been achieved. That's all. Our trade got over immediately. See the low. The low was 1660 from 1768 to 1660, around 1008 points, 1000 points profit yesterday in Adani Enterprise as per our indicator. So strictly how to use, you keep stop loss and keep target. When you are keeping stop loss and target along with the perfect entry, you will not be having any emotional fear. So that is the beauty of our indicator. I show you another one. So here it has come down quickly to a very big targets. Now how can we see the next levels? So go here and select big targets. See here in the target calculation, you can give big targets. So till this also you can use. These are our big targets. Now I will show you another example what to do. So in the same, I will show you the loss of the day in the crude oil trade. So I'm not saying loss will never come, you will get loss also, right? So now yesterday what happened in the crude oil? In the morning, buy only got activated. The buy entry was 5685 and the first low mid was 5684. So exactly our buy got triggered. So now what we have to do? We have to enable our first buy targets. So the first buy target is 5711, but market has reached only up to 5704 and later 5702. So we missed the target by 5 points, 5 to 6 points we missed the target. So now what happened? Our target not hit, so we will be waiting with the SL. So SL also hit. So the SL point was 5660. So if SL hit, what we have to do in the second cell, that is here, we have to take double lot. So initially if you have taken only one lot, take two lots. Initially if you have taken three lots, take six lot. So since second cell has been activated, you have to enable the second cell targets. Second cell targets, it is here. So the second cell target, first target is 5634. It is exactly achieved once the second cell is triggered. So here we have booked two lots. One lot is to recover our loss and another lot is for booking profit for the day. Okay. If you have taken six lots, then you can book two lots here and revise stop loss to cost and another two lots here, revise stop loss to first target and another two lots here. You can keep revising your stop loss so that you can get the maximum benefit from the market. See yesterday low, since the lockdown has been imposed in many countries due to corona, it has given very fall. The low made 5137 from our entry 5660. So around 550 points we have got profit as per our indicator yesterday. That's all. This is the basic strategy that we have to follow. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. If SL hit, we have to take double lot in the reverse entry and book the profit at the first target if we are a small trader. If you want to catch the maximum movement of the market, then you can keep revising stop loss and book the profit in every targets. That's all. This is very simple. So this is how we have to trade using our MST iCore 2.0 basic version. In advanced version, what we have, we can find out the reversal. We can find out the reversal like weekly buy zone, weekly sell zone, monthly buy zone and monthly sell zone. But don't forget, for weekly buy zone and monthly buy zone also we have SL and targets, right? You should not forget it. If SL hit, you have to go for reverse entry. Don't keep on adding your lots. Don't think that market will come. If SL hit, blindly you have to go for the reverse entry double lot. If target hit, you have to book an exit. There is no other way. See in nickel yesterday, first buy got activated, SL hit, then second sell, all targets have been achieved. So yesterday in almost in all the script except Adani and few stocks, our first buy SL got hit because of the corona. See all the targets have been achieved perfectly here. All the targets. So you can increase your target level also if you want to see more level. So this is how we have to trade using our MST iCore 2.0 advanced version. For everything we have given here self-explanatory session. Just click your mouse on this button, I button. It will show you what for you have to use this. Okay, for everything we have given the option. And here we have added one more point and this is called MST central pivot point. MST central pivot point. Okay, so what it indicates, so TCP is a customized one and then PDC is the previous day close Then PDL is the previous day low, and PDH previous day high, and pivot, this is the pivot point, normal pivot point. Then today open, and this is previous day VP value. So you can see what the market condition right now, whether it has opened above this level or below this level. If it is below this level, then this is a clear sell trend. If it is above this level, see here, this is a clear buy trend unless it is closed before that level. So like this, you can use our advanced features, whatever we have added to our existing indicator. So that's all. If you have doubts again, please watch this again and again so that you will get a clear knowledge about this our indicator and strategy. This indicator strategy is very, very simple. Okay, thank you all for having watched our videos, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and our free Telegram group so that you will get all our updates immediately into your inbox. Thank you all.